Sneekylinux back in the house. Yeah. I'm in my house, actually. Yeah, in my house, in my kitchen. I've got another brew going. Yeah. As you know, I do quite a bit of brewing. Yeah, the beer, cider, etc., etc. I think we're even trying some apple snaps next week, by the way. For Sneeky Girl, one of her favourites. So here I've got a nice golden ale going down, as you can see. This is one of the original Cooper's kit barrels, which is a really, really good kit to buy if you want to start brewing your own beer, by the way. Really easy peasy. Just chuck it in, it makes beer, it's nice. I'm telling you, it's really nice. I've got plenty of stuff over here, as you can see. Temperature's about right around about 22 at the moment, so that's fine. Then this beer will come out. This is the Golden Ale. I have trouble brewing lagers in this house because it's always too warm. And to lager a beer called a lager needs quite cold temperatures, really. And that's I don't have cold temperatures here, so it's a bit of a pain up the posterior. But this one will be finished fermenting. Well, it's not even started yet. Well, it has just started fermenting, if I can see up here. And when I come down in the morning, that will be bubbling away up the top. In about 7 to 10 days, that will be ready for bottling. It goes into be bottle conditioned via my last little tappage here. And it goes down the hallway into a special box. And Bob's your uncle, Fanny's your aunt. The beer is on the go. And it's super. Okay. This one will come out around about 5.86% ABV. So it's not a supping lager. It's one of those ones you can have a couple and then go to bed and everything's fine. What else can I say, really? Nothing, really. This is all we have. What I'll do, I'll come back and do another video in a couple of days and see how we've got on here and how it starts to clear. And we may even do a bottling video. See how we do. With our little attachment into the bottles. Bish bosh. Done. Nice. Sneekylinux out. I'll see you later. Bye bye.